At Single Finance, users have the option to do leverage yield farming, which allows farmers to borrow tokens from our lending pools to farm yield with leverage. That said, farmers can also enjoy single rewards by borrowing assets. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can open a leverage yield farming position on our dApp. Visit the Farm tab on our website, and you will arrive at the leveraged yield farming page, where you can see all available farms. Choose your favorite farm from the available farm list, select your leverage level and borrowable asset to simulate the performance. Click on Farm to proceed. Enter the amount you would like to supply for either one of the assets or both assets. The calculation of the borrowed assets is automatically done for you. Next, you may adjust the leverage and ratio of the assets you would like to borrow. This is also where you can set your desired capital protection ratio. At Single Finance, the capital protection ratio offers an extra layer of protection for all leverage yield farmers. Built into all our strategies, users are guaranteed their assets in USDC at the ratio they choose in the event of a liquidation. Lastly, verify your total position and click on Single Click at the bottom right-hand corner to open your leverage yield farming position. That's all we have in the series of our videos on our dApp. Try out the different features and don't forget to share your feedback on our Twitter. If you have any questions, connect with our team on Discord. Always happy to help.